Hey Gen Z, welcome back to Financials Wisdom. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest challenges you face, making your money work harder against insane inflation and the rising cost of living. Seriously, leaving your cash in a regular savings account right now is like letting it slowly disappear. But don't worry, I've got the game changer you need, high-yield savings accounts, or HYSAs. So what exactly is an HYSA? Think of it like a superhero version of your basic bank savings account. Instead of earning a pathetic 0.01% interest, yeah, that's practically nothing, HYSAs offer significantly higher interest rates, often 100 to 400 times more. We're talking 4-5% APY in today's market, which means your money actually grows while it sits there. This isn't some ancient boomer advice. This is modern money management for real life. Why is this crucial for you? 2 words: emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up for unexpected stuff. Your phone breaks, car trouble, a sudden move, or even losing a side hustle. Trying to build this fund in a traditional savings account is like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. An HYSA helps you build that fund faster, making your money management journey so much smoother. Setting one up is incredibly easy. Most HYSAs are offered by online banks, meaning lower overheads for them and higher interest rates for you. You won't find these at your local branch. Just search for best high-yield savings accounts and look for banks that are FDI insured. That's critical for protecting your money. The application process is usually quick and entirely online. You'll link it to your existing checking account and boom, you're ready to transfer funds. Here's the actionable tip: automate your savings. Set up a recurring transfer every payday from your checking account straight into your HYSA. Even if it's just $25 or $50 to start, consistency is key. Watch your emergency fund grow and feel that peace of mind. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about